Hello everyone, I'm Changyang from Huawei Cloud. Today, we're going to take a look at how a Huawei Cloud dedicated financial cloud helped a top insurance company in Hong Kong expand their service globally. Every year from January to March, insurance companies go all out with the promotions. At one top insurance company in Hong Kong, this customer saw their daily transactions surge up to 5 times their usual volume. To keep up with the growing demand, they decided to set up a global business hub in Hong Kong, which would handle operation across Hong Kong, Macau, Indonesia, and Singapore. At first, they relied on computing and storage resources from their data center in Shanghai and Beijing, but they soon ran into some big challenges. Number one, the company's data center resources were all managed by headquarters in mainland China, so business units outside mainland China couldn't adjust them as needed. The resources could not be allocated fast enough to meet service expansion requirements. Financial regulations in Hong Kong required insurance data to stay local, so they couldn't just rely on mainland data centers. If they set up their own data center in Hong Kong, they'd be still face some issues. No existing infrastructure. They'd have to build or rent a facility, which would be super expensive, way too slow. Even if they started right away, they couldn't get it done in 5 months, way too long for their Q1 promotion rush. Cloud OEM headaches. Their infra team wasn't familiar with the cloud platform, so managing everything would be both tough and costly. To address these issues, the Huawei Cloud expert proposed a full-stack dedicated financial cloud solution. The insurance company gets its own pool of resources. Their IT team can grab whatever they need whenever they need it. HCS Online was deployed in the Huawei Cloud Hong Kong data centers. This allowed them to compile with Hong Kong's financial regulations for local deployment. HCS Online was also deployed in 2 AZs to ensure 99.99% reliability. The HCS Online full-stack dedicated solution allows services to be rolled out within 4 months. Our public cloud region in Hong Kong allows customers to expand their dedicated cloud using public cloud hardware stock. During emergency, you can scale compute and storage resources within 3 days to handle increase in service demand. Huawei Cloud provides 24/7 unified professional OEM. The OEM team can obtain information such as logs, alarms from the platform to control risks. Huawei Cloud full-stack dedicated solution helped them to build a global business center within 4 months while always compiling with Hong Kong financial regulations. It also lets them scale out quickly for first quarter promotions. The customer plans to grow their business from Hong Kong to Macau, Indonesia, and Singapore. Huawei Cloud will support this expansion by providing full-stack dedicated solutions such as HCS Online or Cloud Pump for fast cloud deployment and accelerate business growth. Looking for more cloud transformation tips? Follow Huawei Cloud to keep your business ahead of the curve.